In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your trades from your trading platform and import them into TraderSync. So if you want to track and analyze your trades more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly upload your trade history. So first, make sure you are logged in to your TraderSync. So to export your trades from your trading platform, open your trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 or 5 or Thinkorswim or TradingView or NinjaTrader. And then you will see there you navigate to your trade history or report section. So in this case, I use the FP markets. So assumingly we have a data in here and verified in FP markets. So make sure you verified first your account and able to access the features to your trading platform. And now, assumingly, you will see there the trade history or report sections, and then look for an export or download option. Always choose the CSV format and save the file to your computer. So once the download is done, go back to TraderSync and then click the plus button on the left side, which is the add trades, and in here you'll need to import your downloaded file from your chosen trading platform. So just simply click the browse button on the import from a file and then select a CSV format file, and then once you're done importing in it, click the import trades button, and that's it. So once imported, you can go to the analytics dashboard in TraderSync to review your trade performance, win rate, risk to reward ratio, and other insights. You can use the data to refine your trading strategy. And that's it. That's how you export your trades on TraderSync. Now you can track and analyze your trading performance with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.